Hello students, today we will start introduction to MS Excel. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn introduction and starting MS Excel, parts of the Excel window, the application window, the document window and workbook and worksheet. Okay, these are the subtopic of the MS Excel, introduction to MS Excel. First, how we will start the MS Excel means, so this is my desktop. Okay, right click on the screen, go to new, in that so open document spreadsheet, open that, it will open. So I am giving new name to this book 1. Okay, open this, any name you can give. So book 1 dot ods, open document spreadsheet. This is open document spreadsheet. It is opened. Okay, it opened in Open Office Calc. Calc means calculation part. So this is part of the MS Excel. Okay, so I already told about the subtopics of the chapter means. So this is first chapter in your syllabus, 7th standard syllabus. There is a introduction to MS Excel. So introduction to MS Excel, in that chapter we will going to learn introduction and starting of MS Excel, and second one parts of the Excel window, third one the application window, fourth one the document window, and fifth one workbook and worksheet. Okay, so first we will move on to the introduction and starting of MS Excel. Sorry, before going to MS Excel we need to know about the spreadsheet. What are the spreadsheets? Why we are using spreadsheets means, so these are called spreadsheet. Okay, so here spreadsheet, a spreadsheet is one of the most powerful programs to perform simple as well as complex calculations. Okay, so before going to that we will see first what is computer. Okay, so I will write here computer. What is computer? So computer is an electronic device. Okay, electronic device which is used to perform particular task, which is used to perform particular task, because here, okay, here user, I am the user. So why? Because I am using the computer, that is why I am the user. I am giving some data or instruction, data to the computer. And so for example here I am giving some 4 plus 4. Okay, this is my data. Okay, I am instructing to the computer to this, to do this operation. So here 4 plus 4 is my instruction or data. Okay, so instruction is different, data is different. Okay, so here listen, here data, here what I am giving 4 plus 4, so is equal to 12, right? So I am giving user, I am giving 4 plus 4 to the computer, and what it will do, it will calculate the things and it will gives the result, that is 8, right? So that means this is the output. Okay, this is the output, and this is the input. Okay, here input means whatever the user giving data or instruction to the computer. Okay, computer what it will do, it will performs the action and produces the result and send to the output. So output what it will do, it will display the result. Like that the computer will work. So definition of the computer is an electronic device which is used to perform particular task. Okay, so in this what we will going to study? So MS Excel. First, before going to MS Excel, first we will see what is spreadsheet. Okay, spreadsheet. One second, wait, I am checking whether recording is okay. So spreadsheet, what is the spreadsheet? So spreadsheet is a computer application. Okay, computer application that consists of multiple cells. Okay, multiple cells organized in the form of rows and columns. So these are the rows. Okay, wait, okay, these are the rows. So rows means grouping of cells. So whatever the here the black box is visible, no, this is called cell, group of cells. Okay, grouping of cells from left to right. So row means, what is row? Row means group of cells. Okay, group of cells runs from, this is left, no, left to right. Okay, so next columns. What are the columns? Columns means, see here, these are the columns, right? Columns means grouping of cells, grouping of cells. Okay, grouping of cells runs from top to bottom. These are called what? Columns. Okay, so here this is the cell, right? Cell. Cell means, here see, cell means here the row is 20th row, right? Column is H column. Okay, 20th row H column. The cell means intersection of rows and column are called cell. Okay, intersection of row as well as column called cell. Okay, so that's why spreadsheet is a computer application that consists of multiple cells organized in the form of rows and columns. Okay, so these are the spreadsheet. So spreadsheet, again I am telling, spreadsheet is a grid of rows and columns. That means proper arrangements of the rows and the columns. Proper arrangements of the rows and columns. Okay, so here I already told you that intersection of rows and columns called cell. Each cell contains alphanumerical value. Alphanumerical value. We can use alphabets or we can use what? Numbers. Okay, so we can use numbers also. We can use numbers also, right? So spreadsheet are used for representing financial informations and employees information and students marks, okay, like that we can use. Okay, this spreadsheet, okay, this spreadsheet is also called worksheet, okay, worksheet. See here, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So spreadsheet, these are, so this spreadsheet is also called worksheet. Why? Because we are working here using this sheet, we are working, that's why we are called this as a worksheets. Okay, this spreadsheet is also called worksheet. Each worksheet, okay, each worksheet contains columns and rows, okay, columns and rows. So these are the rows, these are the columns, right? So number of worksheets, here see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So number of worksheets are called workbook, okay, number of worksheets are called workbook. Once we opened MS Excel, it having minimum 3 sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, okay. So next, what it will happen, each worksheet arranged by rows and columns, as we know that. So the columns are lettered, okay, the columns are lettered A to A, B, C, D. So like that from A to Z. See here, A to Z, okay. So wait a minute, I'll arrange the things, it's too small. Okay. So next, then we used columns, right? So columns from A to Z it will be happening, and rows from 1 to 10,048. One second. See here, rows is maximum 10,48,576 rows are present, okay. See here, see rows are changing. So maximum 10,48,576 rows are available in one spreadsheet, okay, one worksheet. So here what will happen, we are using spreadsheet. So introduction of spreadsheet is over. Then spreadsheet is also one of the most powerful programs. It is used to perform simple as well as complex calculations. Then why we are using this spreadsheet means, uses of this spreadsheet means, so I already told you that applications of spreadsheets are production planning, okay. So we are using spreadsheets in production planning, for example big companies, then product, what are the selling products, then production analysis, and in comparison market, that means supermarket. For example, supermarket, how many products how many products are selling, how much profit it will come. So like that we are managing the things. So that means production of planning, personal management, marketing analysis. So I told that marketing analysis means comparison of two or more values. Here comparison we can do. So maintaining the records of the salary of employees in big companies. So cost accounting, these are the uses of the spreadsheet. Uses of the spreadsheet means production planning. Okay, so first one is production planning. In big companies we can analyze the production. So how much we have to produce, how much we can sell. So like that we are using production planning. Then personal management, then marketing analysis. In marketing analysis, for example, supermarket transactions. Example, supermarket transaction and comparison of two or more values of any product. And cost accounting. Cost accounting means maintaining records of salary of the employees in a big companies. So like that we are using spreadsheets. Okay, spreadsheets. Then MS Excel. So MS Excel is nothing but Microsoft Excel. Okay, Microsoft Excel. This is an application software. So this is an, which one? MS Excel is an application software. So listen carefully. MS Excel is an application software. Application software is most important part of the software. So I already told you that here in a computer, okay, in a computer we are giving inputs. Okay, we are giving data to the computer and it will produce the output, right? So whatever the things we are giving, 4 plus 4 are logical things or arithmetic things we are giving. Okay, what we are giving, that is called instruction or data. Okay, so what we are giving here, instruction 1. Okay, instruction 1, instruction 2 I am giving, instruction 3 giving, instruction 4 giving. So group of collection of instructions are called one program. Collection of instructions are called, where it is, instruction 1, instruction 2, okay, instruction 3. So like that we are giving, right? So instruction, 10 instruction I am giving here. Okay, these collection of instruction, okay, these collection of instructions are called one program. Okay, collection of instructions are called one program. So next, program 1, program 2 and program 3. Okay. So collection of instructions are called one program. Group of many programs are called software. Okay, software. Okay, collection of instructions are called one program and collection of programs are called one software. So software, it is used to perform particular task. For example, in your ATM machine, there are many softwares are present to perform the action, that means task. What are the tasks there? Okay, so encoding overloaded, consider turning down what something is coming. Okay, so for example, in your ATM machine what it will do? So ATM machine, if I want to draw the money, I want to draw 2000 money, it has to give 2000 only, not 20,000. Okay, that's why, so to perform correct task we are using many softwares. Okay, to perform many tasks, we are using different software. So software 1, software 2, software 3. So group of these software is called software package. So here in software there are many types are there. Particularly in your syllabus they told about the software application software. So application software is nothing but application software, it is used to perform particular task. Okay, particular task. So that's why here another one system software is also there. So system software, what that will do? So system software, it operates or it controls the operations, it controls the task. But application software, what it will do? It will perform the particular task. Okay, so that's why we are using MS Excel. In MS Excel, what it will do? It will use application software to perform the particular work or particular task. Okay, so in MS Excel, MS means Microsoft Excel. In MS Excel there are variety of versions are there. MS Excel 2003, MS Excel 2007, MS Excel 2010, so on. But we have to use only one version of Excel. Using several versions creates more confusions. That's why we are using only one version. Okay, so I already told you that MS Excel is a software used to create electronic spreadsheets or worksheets. These are called electronic spreadsheet, Excel. Okay, so an Excel document containing worksheets called workbook. Okay, called workbook. So features of, so next features of Excel means functions and formulas. Okay, so second one is formatting, then third one is auto calculations, and fourth one find and replace, autofill, charts. Okay, first we will see function and formulas. In function and formulas means Excel, MS Excel has many built-in, that means predefined formulas used for calculations. So like sum, average, like that. See, so this MS Excel, it is used to perform particular calculations. So for example, sum product count, and if we want to find out average in your marks, we can use that average also, and then minimum marks, minimum or maximum. So like that. Here sum means addition of the values, two values, and product means production of multiplication of the values. Count means here how many cells are filled. Okay, how many cells filled, that count it will give. Average means, so as you know that if in your marks the average percentage we can calculate. So using this spreadsheet we can use functions as well as formulas for calculating. So because using this MS Excel, having predefined or built-in formulas, okay. So next, formatting means, second one is formatting. In features of Excel, so there is these are the functions and formulas. So these are the formatting of Excel. Means Excel provides formatting features like, see here, bold, italic, underline, so left alignment, center, right alignment, like that, okay. So next is so this formatting is also used to improve the appearance of data, that means index and mathematical calculations. Like if for example, if I want to, this is cell color, okay. So like that it will come. So I will explain next class because it is too lengthy video. So these are the functions we will see in the next class. Why? Because these are the MS Excel components. What we have studied in this, we have studied the spreadsheets and electronic spreadsheet, not features in still features are there. So MS Excel and uses of that spreadsheets and definitions of the spreadsheet and all. So in the next class we will study features of Excel, okay. Thank you.